how to send fake snaps on a Snapchat. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to your search bar, and then you have to type for the upload move. So you have to type for the upload move, and then you can see this results. So you have to click on the first results, and then you can see all your photos. So you can choose any of the photos that fits in the screen, and then people can uh, trust them that it is the snap. So you can choose any of the photos that you want to send fake snaps, and it will so make sure the photos will fix in the screen, and after that you have to fit in the screen, and after that you have to take a snap, and after that you can take a snap, and then you can click on the send button, and then you can send it to any of the people that you want. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.